Right, there's for foil. Here is a heater. One wet wipe.
Yeah, there you go.
Remove excess dirt. Well, we've already stuck the camera in under the sink and washed it with warm soapy water. Wipe and dry. Get this off first and then wet wipe and then dry wipe. I would think. I don't know how quite where this fits under it.
All I was told was be careful not to overheat it.
This does 3 temperature settings.
That's not warm.
It won't be warm yet. Yeah, so this is temperature regulated, this guy. So we've got 50 degrees, we've got 350 degrees, I think, and 450.
Right.
So we'll start at the 50 degrees, so all we've got to do is heat it up enough to soften it. The hairdryer would do a job, but...
Hairdryers? Yeah, that's what they use, hairdryers.
Yeah.
So when I said I had the heat gun, you're like, oh, Robert, this is...
Ah, yeah.
Oh, and said you had this thing.
Yeah. Which is heat gun, but the other ones aren't as regulated yet.
Yeah.
They're just fucking, they're 2 kilowatt kind of.
Yeah.
Yeehaw! Do we need more heat or less heat, or what we into for heat? I don't think we need their spudger. We could give me some on the nose. So you're not going to get in the edges of this with anything fast, are you? How hot do you think we can get it before it's too hot?
Sorry, it's very hot now.
Mine I said 50, and then the next stage is don't put your hand under it.
Yeah, I'm just wondering for how long you've got to heat it at that kind of tip, because that's hot.
Yeah, this is enough to soften it. Because in here, is it hot in here?
Mate, I won't put the heat on you until you tell me.
That's alright.
If it's not moving, we'll return heat.
There's the way to get it in this corner, I think, folks. Yeah, we're going... Ah. I see.
Heat.
Heat. Yep. Point it at a good effort. And so I can get in here.
Is that too hot? You feel it?
Point it a bit more onto the thing. Yeah.
That about better?
Yeah, there's good. So the glass is reasonably thick. And we're in the side of this. Yep. Nice. Okay, now. Oh, there we go. Heat away. Heat away.
Oh, it's coming out. So guys, what did you do today?
No, okay.
You can get rid of the tin foil now, if that's in your road. If you're...
No, peel the... That's got a tease of good for... I see a tease of coming out with it. So hopefully we can chase it.
Yeah.
Gets a bit stretchy. So the idea is we'll just keep going with it, keep it short, so rather than stretching it. Oh, and snapping it like that. You can get all this a tease of out then, isn't it? Because it's a thin strip of it, and that's what the cleanup is involved in. We're effectively chiselling it off here. I'd rather take the time and make sure we don't touch the lens, and we don't have to clean it. This was a tool for doing mobile phone screens. It's actually easier if you angle this slightly to the outside of the camera square, around the rubber housing. Yeah, effectively actually just chisel the gear off. So I would imagine what happens if you don't get all the residue out, you'll get, it won't sit down properly, but it's a flat bit of glass.
You get refraction off or something?
Yeah,
coming in at an angle?
Yeah, you'll get glaring bits and pieces.
Oh.
So that's it.
Well,
strong enough to mash.
Again,
strong enough to mash you into shape, but aye, not anything else. Oh, what does the GoPro see? Is that better? It's moving about, so you can see all the crud. How close does it need to be? Because I believe in cleaning wipes.
Cleaning wipes, I know. That's what I was sitting last night with the helmet. No one believes in cleaning wipes when you can buy 5 litres of the stuff. It'll be there today.
Gone tomorrow.
Look at that. That's incredible that camera could still actually function with the lens in that nick.
So what we're doing here is we're trying to not touch the camera lens while we clean the seating surfaces. And I noticed that my cleaning cloth's going a nice shade of GoPro black. Right in that camera's face, but there we go. We can see more. Get this filming light on. That's fairly clear of anything. That's all good. Yeah, we've just got residue, I think would say that is, not chunky stuff. Get the compressed air out.
Because you keep building things and all that, you know what I mean? You might want a bit of legacy RAM for small bulk.
Yeah, but it's chips on custom made things. That's no good, is it? Is it this you think we need to clean, or does it come clean?
I think that comes clean. I don't know that. I mean,
Back to the computer!
Yeah, I thought that was...
That's because it says, go to their website, it says.
Oh, well, they'll tell you exactly how to do
Yeah,
it.
so just maybe... Where is it? Camera Butter.
CameraButter.com.
Ah.
Go here for the instructions. CameraButter.com/Hero 8 lens.
There we go. How to note the wipes are to clean off the lens after it's been installed.
Told you.
Do not use it on the lens before you install it. Especially on the back side, so it's got a front and a back side.
Yep.
Right.
See, I don't forget everything.
No.
I did forget about the old... What did I forget about? Nothing.
So
I forgot about nothing. I remembered the tool, I remembered the alcohol wipes.
I need the... There's already some crud on here.
He did it all dry. He didn't use alcohol anywhere near the inside of it.
No, so there's a wee bit of crud stuck to the glass and in the packet here already. So as long as it's not on the back of it. So I'm just using the...
Back of the knife.
Well, no, so I'm using the edge of the knife to scrape the crap off the adhesive pack.
Oh, that's the edge of the knife, sorry. Yeah.
Or pick it off, rather. It looks like it's been in somebody's trousers that have been full of sawdust.
And you've made it through all the packaging.
Yeah.
Yep. That's after 6 months sitting in someone's drawer that's full of sawdust.
Did you ever open it? Is that the thing?
Mate, I think I opened it once.
Yeah.
To look at it. I mean, I never pulled any, you know, I went, right, okay, it's got all the stuff in it.
Now, we're not saying it's spotless in here, but let's give it a fighting chance.
Yes.
Yeah. Right, how do we, does it go up the way, down the way, right the way?
Well, isn't that where you get the instructions to go? What's the back side and what's the front
Oh,
side?
the back side's got a gluey bit on it.
Oh, right, okay.
There is only one back side.
Is it not the square thing?
That's square,
It was
aye.
anyway.
That's square, but you need to... Fucking hell, you need to get this peeled off somehow. Which is no happening. Do I need to heat this to peel?
No.
Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, right.
That's the glue. The glue side.
That's the glue side, yeah.
And it's back down again, and it's back off again. And
Excellent.
so you should work in the museum here.
Yeah.
Alright, I was going to get the edges of it. I was going to go for the full bifter. Not even peeling it off before it's in. See, this is professional. This is how professionals do it.
Fucking nothing.
You broke my camera. It's going to end every video with that like this. You broke my saw. You broke my camera.
There you go, folks. So you never even touch the inside or the adhesive surface, and then what do you do? Just gently work it round again.
Basically, generally work it round and down and in, and then use the alcohol to take all your fingerprints off it.
But since I haven't peeled the front bit off, that's not going to be a problem either. Hopefully the waterproof camera's not filled with alcohol fumes. Anyway. Hey oh. How do we know if it's in or on or what? Turn it on, stick it underwater, see if it fills up. Oh, there's the moment the camera fell.
Is it out of warranty now then? Imagine them not doing a replacement.
That's poor. Note that opening up your GoPro could void the warranty.
Well, okay, well,
I'm
we
sure
never read that.
showering it in grinder sparks could as well.
I think.
What size heat gun do you have that you need to move it around so it's not pointed at one wee bit? When the lens is not quite too hot to touch, ours wasn't even that hot. So
No, we were well cool.
We
were
were
getting
well
that
cool.
out of there before it was.
Yeah,
Before
exactly.
it knew what was going on.
Yeah, and the outside edge, folks, is the one to go for. The inside one seems to be a lot more rigid, whereas you can get your tool inside there. Clean out any remaining adhesive. You may need to use more heat. Yeah, that's done. Remove the plastic covering from the replacement lens and the backing off the adhesive back. Yeah, carefully line it up. So if you peel your back half off, look, see, fires like that, then drop the edge of the lens in the back side here. That's self-aligning. Oh, it says
So
the Hero 8 is notorious for having lens fog, regardless of whether the lens has been replaced. Due to trapped moisture in the camera, make sure you replace the lens in a dry environment. Yeah. If you get lens fog, you need to drill
what, like Egypt?
Aye. Yeah. Egypt or somewhere, yeah, you need to travel to Ayers Rock.
Yeah. Well,
get on with it.
Well, we changed the lens in Scotland, so what would that be? About 85% humidity we're normally sitting at. You know,
Well,
so.
we've got the tools we can find that out for. But, well, so it's warmer up here. Here's a question for you. Do you change it in a cold room or a hot room?
Well, in Scotland, you'd probably want to do it in a cold room, would you not? Because the cold air would hold less moisture.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
So the RH has to be lower than cold air.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm up here.
Although,
But
if you're using dry heat to create the heat, does that not help get rid of humidity at the same time?
yeah, but that's not dry heat that we use. That was just the air that's in the room heated up.
With dry heat.
Well, yeah, okay, dry heat in the sense of not a gas flame or...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dry convector.
Yep.
Joby thing.
Mm-hmm. Aye.
And then
So,
all your moisture's attacking any cold surface.
well, this
and
is
that's
it, yeah.
sucking it out there as well.
Yeah, so what you need is a few ice packs round it
Just to suck out.
once you've heated it up.
Yep.
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 Mm-hmm. Ah, there you go. Yeah, do it outside in winter. Oh, look at that. Do you see how many fingerprints I've got in this? Oh, and we can even turn it on because we didn't take the battery out of it. We can have a wee record, see what the GoPro sees, and we could go back. Ah, I found a use for the wipes. We can clean the old lens.
Mate, you'll just tear the wipe apart. I mean, the lens is that bad.
Oh, it's rough. It's rough.
It's rough. I mean, you know,
Right,
you
so
cannot believe how bad this lens is. And the GoPro was still working.
yeah, so you can see.
Look at that. What an amazing little machine. It just doesn't go.
See all the,
I'm all scratched
so
shitless.
you can see all the stuff. Yeah.
You can see it, yeah.
I can pull that away, but under it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Before and after.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're fairly thickish, these things. Oh.
I hope the camera picks up that pitting, because it really is incredible
Well,
the amount.
depending on the light, so I'll move this over to the light. Well, that's what I was thinking.